Hello, PayPal. Are you there? Yeah, so are you telling me I can't withdraw this $71? Yeah, Mr. Solomon, we are actually sorry for the inconvenience. The reality is that you violated our terms and conditions. You know, PayPal is not officially supported in your country, yet you went ahead and created account with us. For that matter, we are penalizing you for creating an account with us, and this money, you can't take it. Oh, but I worked hard for this money. I don't know why you should do that. You pardon me for that. I won't do that again. After withdrawing this money, I'm not coming back to you until you are finally official in my country. Oh, Mr. Solomon, we are really sorry for that, but that's not how we work. Okay, so just forget about this $71. This is mere money. It's chicken change. Okay, so just forget about it. And yeah, all right. Then thank you very much, PayPal. I will not come back to you, but I'll make sure I make video talking about how you block people's monies. Oh, sorry, Solomon. It's not like that. Hey guys, this video is for those of you PayPal is not officially or legally supported in your countries. But before we start this video, I'm not by any way saying PayPal is a bad company. Okay, you know, this YouTube channel is all about building websites, but I think making this video is going to help someone out. All right, so that's why I'm making this video. That's the main purpose of making this video. So in the course of the video, I'll be giving you a story about how my money got locked in PayPal. Okay, and it was due to my own negligence, and some of you are also in this same shoe. I know of people who have their monies locked in PayPal, because we all know that PayPal is not supported in all the countries. There are some specific countries PayPal is not officially supported, and if you know you are in one of such countries, then this video is for you. Okay, also in the course of this video, I'll be giving you some alternatives to PayPal in case you want to receive monies from a client. You can use those alternatives, so just stick around. Now, this is how the whole thing started. I built websites for people, and this money that was locked, I did some minor work on someone's website and I charged the fellow, and the money was sent to one of my illegal PayPal accounts. Okay, good. So this is the message. This is a reminder. Good. Now they sent me a message asking me to provide them my documents, my country or my government documents. Now that was where I panicked and I realized something was going on, because at first I watched videos about PayPal and PayPal funds getting blocked. I first had the idea, or I first knew very well, that PayPal blocks people's money, especially those countries that are not supported. So when I saw this, I knew my account and my money was going, or was not coming back to me. Okay, or will not be coming back to me. So I went ahead and read everything, logged into my account, and I had some notice. So let me take back there and show you the notice. All right, so this is my account, and this is the amount locked or blocked. Okay, now if PayPal is not supported in your country and you're using the illegal ways, immediately you see this message, just know that that is all. Your money will not come back to you. Okay, so I'll advise you to stay away from PayPal if you know your country is not legally supported. Good. So I watched several videos about this particular issue, and that is it. I give up. Now they're asking me to provide my documents. Now immediately I do that, this account, I can't even have access to it again. It's going to be locked. And this is one of my business accounts. Okay, good. So they sent me another message asking me to talking about why they held my funds, blah 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 blah. You see that? Good. So now this is what I have for you. Those of you who are planning to create PayPal accounts, first of all, check to know if your country is part of the blacklisted countries. If not, your money is going to be locked inside PayPal and you not get this money whatsoever. It doesn't matter the amount you have in PayPal, whether $1,000, they are going to take the money and block your account. Okay, so that's my advice for you. Now in this part of the video, I'm going to give you alternatives to PayPal. Okay, and they are the alternatives, or they are the providers or payment processors I'm currently using. So I'm going to be saving you a lot of money, saving you from the hassle, this headache, this broken heart. If not, one day you come back to this YouTube channel saying your money is locked. Just like what I did. I watched YouTube videos, but I did not take it serious. Now I have $71. It's not that much money, but it's a little bit painful. Okay, good. So let's talk about some of the alternatives to PayPal you can use on your WooCommerce websites, and to also create payment links for people to pay you. And working with these payment processors for a while now, I realized they are easy to use. Okay, so first on my list is Payoneer. Okay, so let me take you there. Payoneer.com. Payoneer.com. Okay, with Payoneer you can receive money. You can also send money with Payoneer. So if you have a client who wants to send you money, you can tell them to send the money through your Payoneer's account. So this is the first one, Payoneer.com. Next on my list is Wise.com. Wise.com, formerly called TransferWise. Okay, they have changed the name from TransferWise to Wise. Good. The next one is Skrill.com. Skrill.com. Okay, Skrill. You can integrate it to your WooCommerce website. You can also give your Skrill account or ID to clients to send you money via Skrill. Next on my list is Flutterwave.com. Flutterwave.com. And I like this company because they expand rapidly. They are growing at a faster rate. Okay, so that is Flutterwave.com. And next I have Paystack.com. Paystack.com. Okay, these people also, they are expanding, so keep an eye on Paystack.com. You can even make Google search or YouTube search about some of these payment processes. Okay, don't allow PayPal take your money if you know PayPal is not legally official in your country. Don't do that. Don't do what I did. If you do that, they'll take your money. Okay, so that is it. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Well, this is a quick announcement. This website here, hoodly.com, is currently looking for a lot of freelancers this year. If you're a freelancer and you have any form of digital skill to offer, go right now, create an account on Hoodly and occupy the homepage of Hoodly. You'll regret it. Now, I made my second sale or my third sale on Hoodly. Okay, so they are also growing rapidly. Occupy the homepage and have fun. Now you can go ahead and check the description of this video and you see my profile on Hoodly. I offer a wide range of website design services. You can check them out. Again, thank you so much for watching this tutorial video. Now on my YouTube channel, I show you how to build different kind of websites and do a lot of technical things. Consider subscribing if you think this video was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye.